Alright, so today we're doing a bike check while my little cousin watches some gay TV show. Okay, hold on. Yep, that's my TV turning off. So today we're gonna go over everything I ride, what I recommend getting, anything that's might be great for you. Okay, so most of these parts are pretty new. We got stolen JCPC pedals that are very painful when they hit you in the shin. Sapient MX5 bars. Nitrous stem. It's red, really light and pretty amazing. Sapient integrated headset. Hoffman frame with Sapient and Danscomp stickers on it. Sapient American cranks, which are really good because they hold behind their products, and I mean they're not too bad. Like I've bent a spindle or something before, but like never anything too crazy. And a lot of people like it because it's loud to listen. Um, Rear tire is Kenda Contact, really good. I like it. Front tire Kenda folding, because it's folding and it grips the ground. Pretty amazing. Um, I don't run a gyro because I think that's too much work, so I just have a very long brake cable with a Diatec brake mount and U brakes. Odyssey back to black seat clamp, McNeil seat post, I think. Um, Black Ops grips with ODI plugs in them. Um, Other than that, I think that's pretty much it. For pegs, I run Shadow Little Ones pegs. Um, Two on the left side most of the time. Most of the time, I usually run Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, different colors, but I got these for free, so yeah. Um, my chain is a 25 tooth chain with a 8 in the back. Some kind of KMC chain. It's kind of old. I need a new one. And that's my bike check, I guess. Like it, subscribe, hit me up, send me messages. Seagore 100. See you guys later. Bye.